Alright, so here's how to import CSV file in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. As you can see guys, this is a CSV file. So now we want to import this in Excel. So for that reason, first of all, let me just open up the Excel like this. And right after that, you need to move your Excel sheet like that and simply drag and drop into the file like this. Then as you can see, the CSV file has been opened. But what you can simply and do another thing, just go to the settings in your application, then simply go with the app, and then from here you need to go to the default apps. Now you need to search for Excel like that, and once you have done to here, you can see .sbc file. For default application it is selected as notepad, but we don't want that, so we will select that one and simply go with the Excel and set default. So when we go back, as you can see guys, it is automatically selecting the Excel to open this CSV file. So that's how you can simply import CSV file in Excel. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.